Hi there, it's me TheYellowDude and I'm back again with another video. If you don't know, I'm making a top-down tower defense shooter game in Godot, and this is the second devlog of the series and the first one where I'm actually going to do something. So without wasting any time, let's start today's devlog. When I first started working on the prototype of this game, I used the default Godot icons for all of the assets like player, enemy and even the bullets. But that was just for a prototype and the game was also not looking cool. So I decided to make some demo assets for the game that will not be used as final game assets and will also look a bit cooler than the default Godot icon. I started with collecting some reference images for the assets. When I was collecting the references, I instantly remembered this cool flash game called Madness, where the character design was pretty cool and also not so difficult to make. So I decided to create something like that as demo assets for my game. I got started with making a really basic shape like the Madness characters and gave them my own twist, like changing some shapes and adding my own accessories. Even though these were going to be demo assets, I still made them look pretty good. But there was a problem. At first glance, the characters were looking pretty cool and all, but the more I played the game, the more I started to dislike them. And at a point, those characters were also getting boring and my motivation started to wipe out. To gain some motivation, I started watching devlogs on YouTube cause they're pretty inspiring, especially this series by Helper Wesley. This series motivated me enough to start working on the game again, but I still wasn't happy with the assets. So to make things much easier for me, I decided to scrap the Madness character idea and go with my original, my style of art, the dudes. If you have watched my previous videos, this is a consistent art style which I use a lot in my games. So I decided to use that art style for the demo assets, and for some reasons, I love making these cute little dudes. So that's it for today's devlog. I hope you enjoyed this one. I dedicated this devlog to just the art and not other things like programming and stuff, cause art is cool. If you have any suggestions regarding this game, then please tell me in the comments or join my Discord server. Yeah, I created one, so join fast. I will meet you in the next devlog. Bye bye.